Hey there, lovely viewers. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an exciting challenge that's all about creating your dream bridal look from a thrifted wedding dress. We'll be transforming these beautiful finds into something truly magical. Let's dive right in. Alright, here we are at our local thrift store. Our challenge today is to pick out a wedding dress that speaks to us and then work our DIY magic to turn it into our perfect bridal ensemble. Let's see what catches our eye. Remember, it's not about perfection, it's about potential. Look for interesting textures, fabrics, and details that we can work with. Here are the dresses we've chosen. Now, it's time to head back and start brainstorming our transformations. Before we dive into the alterations, let's sketch out our ideas and gather the tools we'll need. From sewing kits to embellishments, we're ready to turn these dresses into something special. Now comes the fun part, time to bring our visions to life. We'll be altering the fit, adding unique touches, and making these dresses truly our own. After hours of creativity and hard work, our transformed dresses are ready to be revealed. Are you as excited as we are? Wow, just look at the transformation. Our thrifted dresses have turned into stunning bridal looks. Who knew something second-hand could be so magical? But we're not the only ones taking on this challenge. We've received some amazing submissions from you, our wonderful viewers. And there you have it, our thrifted wedding dress challenge. Remember, it's not about the price tag, it's about the love and creativity you put into your special day. If you enjoyed this challenge, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more DIY adventures. Until next time. Bye for now.